Okay, welcome you all to my channel. So I'm finna do an empty apartment tour. It's about to be real simple. So we're gonna start from the entry and move through. I have like a few items that I had brought over here already, and I have some of my clothes in here. So y'all probably see that. But let's get into it. Also, y'all, excuse the way I look. I've been sick like this last week. I gotta take this wig, wash this wig, trying to pack, trying to get stuff together. So let's get into it. Okay, so as y'all see, this is the living room. Let's see if I can brighten it. Okay, this is the living room. I have this big, size window. That's the entry that I just came into. That'll be probably where the TV goes in this area, shelving. This is stuff I just brought here. So I have this little closet, which is a coat closet. I have coats in there already. I need to downsize and get rid of stuff. I'm trying to become a minimalist. Bitch, I could never. So from the living room, you go into the dining room. You have this view outside. I like the windows. That's a lot of light. This would be like the dining area. Turn around, you have the washer and dryer area. I love that they did the white cabinets. When I had viewed this place, they had the brown like wood and it looked so dated, like outdated. They have updated appliances, so happy. Samsung dishwasher, Samsung stove with the flat top. And then it's like the stainless steel freezer, refrigerator. I got like my few sodas down there. So yes. Let's go back. So these are the two rooms, bathroom. Let's go back here. This is where the bedroom and the bathroom. The bathroom's not that updated. It's just a white bathroom. I love that it's a window though, so I can put my plants in here and bitch, it's gonna be a utopia, period. It's like a little closet. They kept the old ass carpet in there, but that's cool. It's a linen closet. You go into the second bedroom. This is gonna be my business space. I love the little window. It has big ass ledges too, so I can put so many damn plants in here and they can really like thrive. Okay, so my storage is bad, but as I said, the large ledges. We have this closet. It's a good size. It goes this way. Okay, so this would be the business room. Then we go into my bedroom. I got my charger plugged up already. Same big windows. It's a large ass fan. When I tell you it feels so damn good. And then I have clothes already. Disregarded. I had stuffed hella clothes in here. But it's the same closet basically as before. So yes, this is the apartment. I'm so happy. I'm gonna show y'all when I furnish it and everything. I got my pole, so I'm about to install my pole so I can see how much space I have left.